Hi guys, Mark here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is not a tutorial, but more of a showcase of a recent piece of work. We're going to take a look at a 2-dog leash meant for 2 chihuahuas. Here you can see a couple of shots of the leash in action. It's functional, it looks good, and it's going to last a while. Here we have a couple of tandem dog leashes. I have featured this design in the past, look it up among my tutorials. Now, the larger leash was done using 550 paracord. The smaller one, which I'm showing off today, was done using type 1 paracord. You can see that the size difference is quite noticeable. Naturally, you also need to accommodate the size of your hardware. So, the lesson of the day is that the easiest way to scale down your projects is to simply use smaller cordage. Now, the concept of scaling down projects by using smaller and smaller cordages can be applied to all sorts of projects, including bracelets. So here I have 3 bracelets, a regular one, done using 550 paracord. It is quite bulky, usually it would fit men. A thinner bracelet, done using gutted paracord, is going to fit smaller wrists as well as the wrists of women. An even smaller bracelet can be done using type 1 paracord. This one is going to fit even smaller wrists as well as children. So guys, that's our video for today. A small showcase plus a little lesson to spice things up. Thank you for joining me and see ya next time.